Heating the water in your spa accounts for up to 85% of the running cost. Fortunately, you've made the wise decision to install a hybrid heat pump. Before our team installs your heat pump, there are some things that you need to consider to avoid disappointment during installation. This short video covers that information and more. Hi, I'm Jay from Spa World, and for over a decade, SpaNet's plug-and-play hybrid heat pump, which is integrated with your spa controller, has led the industry. These heat pumps can slash as much as 75% off your heating cost, but before they can do that, we have to ensure that they're installed correctly. By the end of this video, you'll know these 5 things. Firstly, you'll know what a heat pump is and how it can save you money. We will go through what is included in our standard heat pump installation. Next, I will discuss how to decide where to install your heat pump and what you need to be aware of so you can avoid disappointment. We'll then cover prepping your site for the installation, and finally, I'll discuss the timing around the installation of your heat pump and your spa delivery. Just like heat pumps found in most homes, the SpaNet heat pump uses refrigeration technology to extract heat from the air, even when it's cold. SpaNet heat pumps can save up to 75% on your heating bill when compared to electric heaters, and up to 55% when compared to natural gas. But that's not all. SpaNet heat pumps, like those found in your house, can also reverse cycle and cool the water in your spa, which is ideal for people who live in warmer climates. Depending on which SpaNet heat pump model you choose, your heat pump will have an approximate dimension of 960 millimeters long, 320 millimeters wide, and 650 millimeters high, and weigh over 45 kilograms. Please check your manual for exact dimensions. A standard installation is within 50 kilometers of one of our stores. During a standard installation, we will complete the plumbing connection to your heat pump and spa or swim spa. This is not the case with an out-of-area installation where you will have to organize the entire installation, including the connection. We will not install electrical circuits or plumbing runs. You will need to use your electrician and plumber for this, and you are responsible for any associated costs. It's important to note that the removal of deck boards or the digging or work within a trench is not included within our standard installation. Please see the pre-delivery guide for details around trenching for your heat pump installation. If you require anything other than a standard installation, you'll need to contact us so that we can assess your requirements. Please note that no electrical work is included in a standard installation other than connecting the heat pump power and data cable to your spa controller. There are far too many installation scenarios to cover in this short video. However, there are 5 key points that you need to take away that will help save you added cost and time. The heat pump will need to be installed no more than 3 meters from the spa controller because it comes with a 5-meter power and data cable. Both of these cables need to be connected to the spa controller at installation. If your heat pump is to be installed outside your fenced pool area, a minimum 900 millimeters non-climbable zone from the top of the spa to the closest point of the heat pump must be maintained, while also maintaining a minimum 500 millimeter distance at the ground level. Your heat pump cannot be installed more than 1 meter higher or lower than the base of the spa. If installed above or below the base of the spa, you cannot install the unit more than 2 meters away from the spa's controller. The sidewall of a swim spa can act as a barrier, and the same distances apply to a swim spa as it does to a portable spa. The heat pump must sit on either a concrete base or well-laid concrete paving stones. The most common solution is to pour a pad extension for the heat pump when the main spa pad is being poured. The heat pump moves a lot of air, and so both the back and front of the heat pump must be completely unobstructed. The manufacturer recommends 300 millimeters at the back, 700 millimeters each side, and 2.5 meters to the front of the unit. If you are planning to install the heat pump below decking, in a pit, etc., you must ensure the clearance detailed above are maintained for maximum efficiency. Before our team can install your heat pump, we must first make sure that your site is fully prepped and ready. You'll need to provide a level, stable surface for installation clear of any obstacles. Another point to be aware of is that a heat pump has a condensate drain, and so the area will get wet. In Australia, excluding Western Australia, your spa must be filled and powered up before your heat pump can be installed. Within 2 weeks of your spa delivery, the heat pump technician will contact you to schedule your installation. If your spa happens to not be ready, your technician will reschedule the heat pump installation for a later date. But don't worry, you can use the onboard heater in your spa to heat it until your heat pump is installed. If you're in Western Australia, your heat pump is installed at the same time of delivery. In New Zealand, your heat pump will be installed at the same time that your spa is delivered. But no matter where you're located, you always want to talk to your Spa World concierge and get the exact heat pump installation details. You and your family can now take full advantage of your new spa or swim spa, knowing full well that you're saving up to 75% of the running costs. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video and for doing your part to make sure that your heat pump installation goes smoothly. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your spa or swim spa.